Hello, my children. I have returned to you, and I come bearing a recommendation for a movie that I found to be well made and thoroughly entertaining. What? No. Not even close. It's Time-lapse, a quality new micro-budget sci-fi thriller that proves that you don't need tons of money to make a good movie. All you need is a great idea and a camera, and a cast and a crew, a computer, editing software, and a means of transportation to your set, and a set now that I think of it, and probably a microphone other than the one that's on the camera, because those ones are Anyway, the point I'm trying to make is a great premise is the key to transcending the limitations of a small budget, and Time-lapse's premise is pretty cool. You have 3 roommates, one of them a burnt-out painter who's low on fresh ideas, his girlfriend who feels neglected, and his druggy, smart-aleck gambler screw-up of a best friend. They notice one day that their eccentric shut-in neighbor has shown all the signs of actually being a rotting corpse of an eccentric shut-in neighbor, and they go to check on him. Sure enough, he's dead, but not in the way eccentric shut-in neighbors usually die. He's been fried. The roommates find out that the guy was a scientist who invented a camera that takes a Polaroid picture every day at 8 p.m. The catch is that every picture it takes turns out to be an image from 8 p.m. the next day. So, essentially, he invented a time-traveling camera. Why did he do this? I don't know. Stop nitpicking it. Nitpicks don't apply to movies I like. The 3 decide to take advantage of this miraculous device, and we have our movie. It's quite entertaining seeing the camera bring the group together as they use it for their personal monetary gain and artistic inspiration. And later it's very suspenseful seeing the group fall apart as the camera reveals dark secrets and predicts terrible things. It took me a while to warm up to the 3 lead characters as they seemed a little bland at first, but they grew on me as the movie progressed and more layers were revealed. Layers is a keyword for the plot here as well. If it seems thin from my description, wait for it to pull the rug out from under you to become so much more than what it initially appears to be. And then pull another one out and become even more suspenseful, thought-provoking, and character-based. It really helps the movie that director Bradley King, whose credits include nothing else that's longer than 15 minutes, paces the movie really well by giving it a slow burn build-up and then letting things go loose for a busy, no-holds-barred finale. Overall, Time-lapse is the reason why I watch as many straight-to-DVD movies as I do. It's an overlooked little gem that I think deserves to reach a wider audience. If you like inventive sci-fi, check it out. 7 out of 10.